Hi guys, in this video, I will guide you through on how to perform a database restore. Please note that you need to restart the app after performing the database restore. Now, let's go to the POS Systems backup folder to look for the file. I have loaded the POS Systems folder earlier, as you can see here. Now, copy the latest backup file from this folder. Go to the POS Systems main folder. Then, paste the copied file at the main folder. Find the file and rename it to POS_restore.db. Now, go back to the POS system. Go to Configurations, then, scroll down to Backup and Restore DB. Press Restore Now, then Yes. When the DB restore is successful, press OK and restart the app. Thank you.